Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I have on the bench an Ultimate Ears waterproof Bluetooth speaker. It's dead and it's not charging or powering on. Now I've already had 5 of these. Well, I've had 6 of these speakers I've purchased, and they all appear to have the same fault, all bar one, which had simply a loose battery connector. So I'm just going to make a video and show you what is most probably wrong with this speaker once I get it apart. Now I've plugged in the USB charger to show you what has happened. As you can see, it's not powering on, there's no light, and on the armature up here it's showing it's not drawing any current. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it to pieces. They're not hard to take apart. Get a kitchen knife, put it between there and there, then do the back two and pop the top off, and then you can slide the cone off, and then there's 4 screws, and you take the top off. That's the top of the speaker off and the grill off. Then you got these 4 screws here, 2 there, 2 there to remove, but when you're prizing the top off, it is quite hard to prize off, but it does come off. But you've got to make sure that you don't lose these bits out the buttons there, they tend to fall out. You have to be careful when you remove the top, because there's not a lot of slack on the cables, but it is possible to carefully prise the connectors out and get the connectors back in. You may find it easier to remove one of the speakers out the side to get access on the sides to disconnect the cables. Here is the PCB removed. What you need to do now is just remove that upper PCB. There's just 3 screws to remove it. Right, on the back of the PCB you'll find a capacitor, and it's this capacitor here where my screwdriver is pointing to. That will be short circuit. If you've got a continuity tester, a multimeter, which over here, you touch there across that capacitor, it'll be a dead short, and you'll get a beep out of it. Unfortunately, I'm trying to film this with the camera in my hand, so I can't actually show you. But if you remove that capacitor, that will remove the short, and if you put the speaker all back together, it will then work. As you can see, I've now removed the capacitor from there, so just going to reassemble this speaker and it should work. I've now got the speaker back together. I've now got it plugged in and charging, as you can see by the white light that's flashing on the top of the speaker. And if you look over at the USB charger here, it's showing that it's charging at 0.86 amps. So it's now taking a charge. Now the speaker will power on, which it wasn't doing before, and that second cell means it's connecting to the Bluetooth okay. And then we'll just play a bit of music. You can pause it on the speaker, turn it up, turns down, so as you can see, the speaker is now working absolutely fine. So hopefully this will help anyone who has the same problem with their Ultimate Ears Wonderboom speaker, which is dead and not charging. I'm not sure about if it's the same fix will work for the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2, but it certainly does for the Mark 1 anyway. So there you go. Anyway, I'm no professional, so what you see on this video, and if you copy what I do, you're doing it at your own risk. So there you go. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.